And of course, kung ikaw talaga naman naghahanap ng alternatibong cash loan na pwede mong jutangan in times of difficulties or emergency, o i-consider mo itong si Cash Express kasi meron siyang 0% interest for the first 7 days, Mima. I-take advantage mo na yung Cash Express na yung 0% interest for the first 7 days. Kung kailangan mo ng kaperahan for emergency needs, di ba? Pwede i-consider mo itong si Cash Express as an alternative option for you. And of course, huwag kakalimutan basahin ng terms and conditions bago mag-apply. If you're interested, go ahead and click my link below sa description ng Itechua. And of course, pa-comment naman kung na-approve na kayo, Ditechua, yung mga Mima.